Okay. I'm going to show you how to get out of Smith & Wesson handcuffs. These are real. They work. They are what cops use. So, first, the paper clip. Straighten it out. You'll see there's a hole where the key goes. That's what you're going to be using. You're going to go straight in. Straight in with it. You don't want to go all the way down. You want to come up a little bit. You want to bend it towards the middle of the handcuff. Alright? Then you're going to bend it the opposite way. All the way back. Shit. All the way back. You can see it's still locked. All the way back. See? Once you can let go of it, and it's still locked. You push down on it, comes open. When you get done, the paper clip should look like that. Like I said, these are real Smith & Wesson metal handcuffs. 100% real.